What's up, PodFit2 students? I am back, and today I will show you how to do the reverse lunge with a twist. So since we will be doing the reverse lunge, I will be starting on my left. So let's do it step by step. First, you have to stand straight, core tight, back straight, and then right foot backward step. And as you step backward, your left knee should be at least in a 90-degree position. Arms forward and make a twist to your right. And then up, and back to your normal position. Alright, so let's do the 5 repetitions, starting on my right. So just a little reminder again, the knee in front should at least in a 90-degree position, same with the knees at the back, and as you twist, make sure that your core is tight. 3 more to go. And don't forget to breathe. Last one. Alright, now I'm going to start with my left leg. Last 2. Alright, and that's the end of our reverse lunge with a twist. See you on the next video.